Modern minimalist kitchen design has become a leading trend in contemporary interiors, valued for its clean lines, efficient use of space, and fresh, uncluttered aesthetics. This style focuses on simplicity, without sacrificing beauty or functionality. Every item has a purpose, and every design choice contributes to a harmonious and practical cooking experience. To achieve a successful modern minimalist kitchen, careful planning and attention to detail are essential. Below are the key considerations every homeowner should keep in mind before designing their minimalist kitchen. 1. Prioritize a simple and functional layout. The layout is the foundation of any good kitchen. In modern minimalist design, flow should be easy and unobstructed. Cooking, cleaning, and storage zones must be well defined. Furniture and appliances should not overcrowd the space. Popular layout choices include L shape for maximizing corner space, U shape for efficiency in larger areas, single wall or galley styles for compact homes. A functional layout supports faster meal preparation and maintains a calm atmosphere. 2. Start with a neutral and harmonious color palette. Minimalist kitchens thrive on clean visual harmony. Neutral colors such as
white, gray, beige,
earthy wood tones are timeless choices that enhance the modern feel. You may incorporate one subtle accent color, like black, navy, or muted green, to add depth and balance without disrupting simplicity. 3. Use quality and minimalist materials. To create a sleek modern look, choose materials that embody refinement. Matte finishes for cabinets and appliances to avoid glare. Quartz or solid surface countertops that are durable and streamlined. Glass or metal elements for a clean, modern touch. Warm wood accents to soften the overall mood. The key is to combine materials thoughtfully for texture and visual interest without overcomplication. 4. Maximize smart and hidden storage. Clutter-free surfaces define a minimalist kitchen. Therefore, install full-height cabinets for extra concealed storage. Use deep drawers for pots, pans, and dinnerware. Incorporate pull-out organizers and corner solutions. Keep small appliances stored when not in use. Effective storage ensures everything remains hidden and the kitchen retains its calm, polished look. 5. Integrate built-in appliances. A unified look is essential in minimalist design. Built-in appliances such as wall ovens, concealed dishwashers, integrated refrigerators help maintain seamless cabinetry lines. Choose appliances with smooth surfaces and handleless designs to enhance the modern aesthetic. 6. Choose clean line cabinetry. The hallmark of minimalist kitchens is simplicity. Flat panel or slab cabinet doors. Handleless push-to-open systems or sleek finger pull grooves. Horizontal and vertical lines aligned for symmetry. This eliminates visual noise and contributes to a refined and organized appearance. 7. Optimize lighting for ambience and clarity. Lighting plays a major role in making the kitchen feel warm and inviting. Under-cabinet lighting illuminates work areas efficiently. Pendant lights add a stylish focal point above the island. Recessed lighting provides clean and modern illumination. Warm white tones strike a balance between comfort and clarity. A well-lit kitchen enhances both function and beauty. 8. Select durable and easy-to-maintain surfaces. To ensure lasting cleanliness, opt for materials that resist stains and scratches. Avoid finishes that show fingerprints easily. Choose flooring that accommodates heavy foot traffic, such as vinyl, tile, or engineered wood. Low-maintenance choices help keep the space pristine with minimal effort. 9. Incorporate technology for convenience. Modern minimalist kitchens integrate smart solutions such as motion sensor faucets, smart appliances with app connectivity, induction cooktops offering sleek appearance and safety. Technology enhances efficiency while maintaining a clean and minimal visual. 10. Maintain balance with warm and natural elements. While minimalism focuses on simplicity, it should not feel cold or lifeless. Natural elements help soften the space. Wooden shelving or seating. Indoor plants for freshness. Textured fabrics such as linen or wool for added comfort. These touches make the kitchen feel lively and welcoming. 11. Avoid excess decoration. Decor should be purposeful and minimal. A single centerpiece on the island. Neatly displayed plates or glasses if open shelving exists. Limited wall art with clean and modern design. By keeping accessories understated, the kitchen retains its essential minimalist character. 12. Plan for practical everyday use. Beyond aesthetics, the kitchen must support daily routines. Smooth workflow between sink, cooktop, and refrigerator. Accessible placement for utensils and cookware. Enough counter space for food preparation. Beauty is only impactful when paired with comfort and usability. Why modern minimalist kitchens are so popular. This design approach aligns perfectly with today's lifestyle because it reduces stress through visual clarity, encourages healthy organization habits, creates a spacious feeling even in smaller homes, offers timeless appeal and long-lasting value. It's a fusion of design and practicality that enhances both routine and relaxation. Conclusion: purpose, simplicity, and elegance. Designing a modern minimalist kitchen means focusing on what truly matters: functionality, beauty, and efficiency. By embracing clean layouts, smart storage, refined materials, and thoughtful lighting, you can create a kitchen that looks sophisticated and makes everyday tasks easier. A minimalist kitchen is more than just a trend. It represents a lifestyle that values clarity, intention, and genuine comfort. With careful consideration of each design element, your kitchen can become a stunning and serene space where simplicity feels luxurious.